Hello guys, in this video I will create a new class to load assets, and I will download an asset from a free 3D model website, and then I will upload it into the game. So this is one of the websites in which you can download free 3D objects. So I'm looking for a couch. This one is good. So we are looking for the dot blend. Or maybe other. So because we want to import it into Blender in order to change the color. So yeah, I messed up a little the settings, but yeah, I painted it and then I exported it as a GLB. Now we create the manage assets manager. We can create an assets variable that will contain all the different assets, and it will point to the URL or the file name in this case. And we can create another method named load assets to load each asset. So we can create loaded assets. So we import the class. Then we instantiate it just below the screens. So we create first a useRef with the name of the variable asset manager, and now we assign the instantiation. We give the scene, and now we load one asset. In this case we just have one, the couch. And we see a very tiny couch below the sphere. So we remove the sphere and we see the tiny couch. So we would like to have control on this of the size of the asset. So we can create another method there. but first we need to extract the mesh, the actual mesh, because when you import the mesh and additional data. So we just extract the mesh, and now we can create a method scale asset, which will receive a scale factor and modify the size of the asset. I have to wait for the load asset method. I was not waiting for it. And you can see we have scaled the couch. This is for today.